Imagine you enter a store looking for a simple pair of jeans, yet you're faced with countless brands, styles, fits, and colors. Does having more choices make us happier? This dilemma encapsulates the paradox of choice, the concept that while options offer freedom, an abundance of choices can lead to decision-making paralysis and dissatisfaction. Psychologist Barry Schwartz argues that as the number of choices increases, our anxiety also rises, and we may find it harder to make a decision. Furthermore, even after making a choice, we may constantly wonder if another option would have been better. Are we truly better off with endless options, or does simplicity lead to a more content existence? Reflect on your own experiences. Have you felt overwhelmed by choice? Have you second-guessed decisions due to the fear of missing out on better alternatives? Consider whether limiting choices could potentially enhance your overall well-being and reduce stress. The next time you're faced with a multitude of options, remember the paradox of choice and ponder whether less could indeed be more.